Hello and welcome. My name is Amul and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Audacity, an open source software which is completely free and cross-platform. And what it does, it lets you record your podcast, video, audio basically, not video. So audio for video, voiceover, dubbing. So let's get started. This is completely free and you can see it's available for Windows, Mac and Linux. So to download and install, you simply go ahead and launch your preferred browser and type Audacity. Okay, and then if you're using Google as a search engine, you should see something like this. So this is audacityteam.org/download. So this will pull up this page here, and all you have to do, simply go ahead and click on this Windows 10 logo and your download should start in just few seconds. So here you can see this is the Audacity for Windows and this is Audacity 3, which is the latest release. And now you can see the Audacity has been downloaded. So all you have to do, simply go ahead and locate it depending on your browser and just click on it. Allow this installation and then you'll get an option to select your language. Select your language and click OK. Now hit next, 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 install. So this will install your Audacity. Now the only thing after installing this software you need to do, simply go ahead and plug in your microphone and start recording your audio. So it's going to launch here, you can see. So this is basically Audacity. All you have to do, just launch this and you will have to plug in your hardware. So basically microphone. Once you plug it in, you will be able to press this button, this red button, to start the recording. You can also press Shift R, and then to pause it you simply press P. To stop it you simply press stop button here. This is for replay. Okay, so you can keep pressing Shift space and this will start recording your voice. Here you have the microphone options available. So this is input. I've got two options here, and this is type. So I'm going to go with the stereo, not mono. Stereo is the best. This is the high definition speaker that I have here, and these are types. So MME, I think these are codecs. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment below. I will try to answer it ASAP. Thanks. Bye for now.